What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Trini Gabby. We doing a perm ride set. So the first thing I did was wash my hair. The shampoo is in the bathroom and I'm not getting up, so I use this. This is the conditioner. Yeah, so I use that, the shampoo and conditioner. Hair is freshly washed. Now I need the detangle. So I'm out of leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna use this conditioner. Now you can use, if you don't have a leave-in conditioner, you really can use a regular conditioner and add some water, but very sore. So like I said, I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna just put this in my head and, you know, it's not gonna, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. But use your leave-in conditioner. I'm just using this one because it smells good. Yeah. So you can put a little bit in the head. Put a little bit in your head while you're in the bed. Y'all, this stuff smells so good. Y'all really just don't understand. Y'all really don't understand. And the root and some roots. God dang. Playing that good shit downstairs. I'm about to separate my hair into 4 parts. I can't work with it like this. The first thing I'm putting in my hair is foam wrapping lotion. Some conditioner. And some oil just to seal in the moisture. The OGH penetrating oil, the coconut oil version. You probably can't see it from here. Like I said, my motherfucking legs are for the gym. I'll put it in the description box. And when I leave, well, when I get done, I'm about to go to the gym. Looking like a grandma. I don't care. We gotta get this body right for the summertime, okay? Mainly focusing on those ends that don't like to stay in the rod. Check out them waves. Waves on swim, so they hate on him. They really curves, but waves sound great. So I got my peach perm rod. Peach. I don't like the orange. I don't like the pink. I want the peach. When you part this, now when you put your hair in these rods, put it in some really small parts. 1, you want it to dry quicker. 2, you want more definition. Ah, shit. 24 hours. And I know it's dry. I'm pretty much late to work, but I put in some time so I can do this video. You need your oil of choice and so the first time I did this hairstyle, y'all, there was this lady, let's just say she was Caucasian, came up to me. She reaches out, touches my hair, and she's like, "That's all yours?" Well, damn, doing this hairstyle again because it's giving Black history. Now I'm gonna add my oil.
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that